Hello everyone, so let's talk about the another problem from Codeforces, the problem which presents. So little Petia, very much like gifts. Recently, he has received a very new laptop as a New Year gift. Like it all just doesn't mean anything. It's just a story. He immediately decided to give it to somebody else. Blah blah blah. And on this occasion, he organized a New Year party with invited friends. So now Petia, like you can say, done some party where he invited friends. If there one thing Petia likes more than receiving gifts is watching others give someone other gifts. So Petia likes watching someone gives like give gifts to each other. Thus he safely hid the laptop until the next New Year and made up his mind to watch his friends exchange gifts. So Petia is not like participating, he has any friends, so any friends will be exchanging gifts. Now and Petia will watch them. He numbered all his friends from number from 1 to n. Their n friends all the numbered from 1 to n. Petia remembered that a friend number I gave a gift to friend Pi. So a IS friend gave gift to PI. He also remembered that each of his friend received exactly one gift. So they're n friends. It just means that they exchange gifts. Okay. Now you are actually just given now Petier wants to know for each friend I the number of a friend who has given him a gift. Okay. So as you can see this the array that you are given it sounds pretty much complicated but it doesn't it's very simple. We go through some examples. Whenever you see the question little bit confusing, go through the example. So what you're given is that you are given some array of pi. Okay, pi means that as you can see, remembered that a friend I gave a gift to the friend pi. Okay, so the ith friend gave this to second like the so if the numbers from 1 till n. Okay, there are few friends. Let's say they are numbered from 1 till n. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is friends. Okay. Now these friends, as you can see, the first friend give to second. So the first friend give to second friend. Okay. The third friend, oh sorry, the second friend give to third friend. So which means that this is the friend they have given to. Now you just find out a reverse of it. So what they want to know is that for each friend I, the number of friend who gave them the gift. Okay. So as you can see, for two, so as you can see, two has gotten the gift from one. So two has gotten the gift from one. Three has gotten the gift from two. So it's pretty much simple now. Just make an array, do a for loop, and you just insert at this index this value. Like it was mapping like this. Now you just make a reverse mapping and just put it inside the array in this order. So one at one index put 4, 4 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 2 plus put 1 and just make it answer. Okay, nothing much complicated itself. Everything is just one index, put it make it 0th index here and just put it answer. Okay, nothing much complicated itself. Let's move on to the code part now. So take the inputs, then for every ith element, make it one index, and like it's just a reverse mapping of it. So it was so initially it was I mapped to the number, now it's the number mapped to I. Okay, and just print the console. Nothing much complicated. Go rewatch the video if you still have more doubts. That's all problem in the code part for this particular problem. If you still have doubts, mention in the comment box. I will see you in the next one for coding and bye.